Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure iOS is current and you have a recent backup. That prevents data loss if anything changes. Next, open Settings and tap your name at the top to access Apple ID controls. Once inside, choose Password and Security to find two-factor options. Make sure a trusted phone number or another Apple device is available to receive verification codes. This ensures you can confirm identity when making changes. Start here to avoid lockout later. Once done, tap the two-factor authentication section to view current methods and options for managing them. You can add or edit trusted phone numbers, add a new number, receive the SMS or call, then enter the code to confirm ownership. If you have other Apple devices, check their device list and enable or remove verification access as needed. Make sure each change is confirmed with a code so the system registers the update and keeps your account secure. To finish, review the trusted devices list and remove anything unfamiliar to prevent unauthorized access. Then sign out and sign back in on your devices where necessary so new authentication tokens propagate correctly. If something goes wrong and you can't receive codes, start account recovery promptly and follow the guided steps. You may need to provide purchase proof or device serial numbers. For persistent problems, contact Apple support directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.